Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So today's video, I figured I would just vlog this weekend, whatever we get up to. I have some things that I want to chat with you guys about, give you guys a heads up about October and what's going to be happening. I know I mentioned doing a month-long study, so we are going to be doing that, and that should be the next video I post, giving you guys all the information on that. I'll give you guys a little sneak peek in today's video because I have a few things I need to do, but that will be up. That will be the next video up, and I will explain everything that we're doing for that. I do plan on filming weekly videos for the plan, just so we can see what's going on and chat and just have a space to talk about what we're learning and reading and studying. But also in October, I want to do like a daily art challenge. I love art. I have a graphic design degree. Always have liked art. I've just had an issue with confidence, feeling like I'm doing a great job, and you know, I've taken sporadic breaks. I'll have moments where I'm feeling super artsy and I would just want to paint all day and draw and all that stuff, and then times where I don't. So I want to get back into it. Even like in my Bible, I haven't Bible journaled the way I used to, and I know that, like, you know, we do things for a season and that's fine, but it's something that I've been wanting to get back into, and card making, everything, and I just haven't, I don't know, I just haven't found the motivation to do it. Hey buddy. So I decided that I wanted to do some sort of monthly challenge in October for my art, and hi buddy. So I decided to do Peachtober. If you haven't heard of that, it is what's her YouTube Instagram handle? Furry Little Peach, I believe. Yeah, Furry Little Peach, and I guess she does this thing every year, and it's called Peachtober, and she gives different prompts for each day, and it's like a daily drawing painting challenge. So I'm going to be doing that. I will leave the link on for her video on this down below, but this is just what the prompt list looks like. So I'm going to be doing this the month of October too, and I'm hoping that it'll also just spark motivation to also get back into Bible journaling and just help my creative mind. I am going to be posting daily on TikTok for this because I feel like that will just be easy, just showing what I've drawn, painted, whatever it is. So I will share with you guys all the supplies that I have for that. Hi buddy. Hi. I also placed an Amazon order for some artsy things, so I will share that with you guys, and then I'll share everything that I'll share everything that I'm going to be using for the month of October for the art challenge, because I think that's going to be fun. Help me get out of this like headspace. This year's been very busy, so this will be granted, I guess I'm making my October really busy, but busy with things that I like to do and that I enjoy, and I love art. You know, we're a creation of the Lord, and you know, we're created to create. However that looks like for you, we are created to create. So I'm excited for that. So I figured I would just vlog. We'll see if the whole weekend I vlog. I have to go to the Hi buddy. I have to go to the airport tomorrow, so we'll see how much I actually get done. If not, it'll just be a day in the life, and I will share. Also, I'm still planning on sharing my desk and all the organization, like a whole tour of that. I just keep buying more things and then having to organize them and all that fun stuff. So yeah, I figured we can just share. I can share what I got. I do have to clean up my space a little bit because I've been pulling things out. I haven't pulled out all my art stuff. Like, I have it packed in a box, and I have a ton of stuff downstairs because because I was an art major, so I have a ton of things. So I will share with you guys the things I got off Amazon. I did buy some things to try 3D painting and like thick paint, textured painting, because it looks so awesome. I've been on a TikTok kick, and probably not the best way I should be spending my time. My time could probably be spent in a more useful way, But yeah, and at the end of this video, I'll share with you guys all the stuff I'm going to use for the month of October. I think I'm going to reorganize my cart with you guys because it needs to be set for my monthly Bible reading. So here's my cart, and I did a whole video on how I have this organized for my quiet time. I need to reorganize it so that way it will work for the October Bible reading plan and also this daily art plan, so that way I have everything with me for both things. All my tech stuff for doing videos, for doing everything, so that way I can be productive and just be ready for the month. I feel like all I've been doing is buying stuff on Amazon, so the first thing I got was just more black pens from Mr. Pen. I love their fine liners. They're like a... You good, buddy? They're like a dupe for the Microns, but they're much cheaper and they literally work the same. So I got a pack of these. I also got a pack of these glue pens. They're just glue in like pen form because I figured sometimes I'm trying to glue things that are small and stuff, like when I cut things out with my Cricut and stuff. That is just so much easier. I had bought these, but the tip is so small and for like thicker glue does not work. The next thing I got is this huge thing of modeling paste to add into acrylic paint to make it thick, to make it pipeable. So I did buy like cake piping things, which we did have some, but I didn't want to use the stuff my mom uses for cakes for paint. So I figured I bought my own set and it came with some tips and stuff. And I figured I'd try it. Like I'll leave the TikToker that I watch, like the person that posts, and all the beautiful stuff that she makes. But got modeling paste and I got the piping bags. I also got these like palette knife set so that way I can, you know, once again paint with just different techniques. I want to try a bunch of things during this month and just really be hands-on. I am very much a hands-on person. I love working with paper, paint, things like that. Paper quilling was my jam at one point. I took a 3D art class and we built things out of cardboard boxes. Like that was the best class I've ever taken. I made like a 6 or 7 foot hand, yes. And we also had to make like a chair. So if I can find those pictures, I will post them up here. It was pretty awesome. Like it was a great class. And I just love doing things like that. Even when I do like my balloon arches, I like to make balloon mosaics. So yeah. And then what's this? Paint palettes. So when I paint, I can put the paint on this. Like I've always wanted this and I've never bought them. So this one came in a 3-pack. There's just a small one, a bigger one, the square one, and right now they're just covered in like a paper to protect the acrylic. So that's everything I bought so far for this month for this art challenge. I'm super excited about it. And I just need to find a home for it, organize this cart, just get things ready so I can be the most productive in October. So I bought this sketchbook a while ago and I haven't used it, but I think I'm gonna use it for the Peachtober. So this will probably be where I do the bulk of my drawing, painting, things like that, artsy things. And I would love to fill it out before the year ends. I think I'm gonna make that one of my goals for the rest of this year. So for 3 months, fill out this sketchbook, even if they're not the most beautiful things. Just like a nice exercise to get creative, draw something every day. I also will say that this fit perfectly at the top. So I might do my art stuff at the top. That's what I'm thinking. and then Bible things second shelf, tech things bottom. That is what I'm looking at right now. I'm making sure I get the correct paintbrushes with the correct things. I have paintbrushes for my watercolors and paintbrushes for my acrylics, because I find that acrylic paint messes up my brushes. So, and I have nicer ones for watercoloring. Anyways, now it's just putting everything away. I'm exhausted already. Alright, so I have reorganized my cart, put things away. I actually cleared off my desk. I will show you guys in a moment. As you can see, I was working on my October Bible reading plan, and I'm super excited for it. It's gonna be super, I don't want to say simple, but there's not a lot of reading because I really wanted to focus on the studying and breaking down and digging deep into the verses. So I think there's only a few days where there's like around 10-ish verses. So it's gonna be super fun. I don't know why I'm talking so low. I also found, while I was cleaning up some things, this made it way downstairs. I should have done that when I walked down. Actually, let me clean up the stuff that I took out and did not put back away. This is the hardest part about my cart. It's actually cleaning up after I put everything out. But like I was saying, I'm super excited. We're gonna be in the Old Testament. I feel like I'm talking weird too. We're gonna be in the Old Testament and looking at one of the minor prophets, and just, I'm excited. I think everything's coming together beautifully, and it's not me, it's the Lord. He is bringing this together because it's not me. But while I was cleaning, I found this thing that I had bought maybe a couple years ago at Walmart, and it's just like a daily thing. I can put important times that I have to do things, a couple of things that I must accomplish, a check off to-do list, track my mood, track my food, track my water. Just super simple, and I think this will be really good for October just because I have a lot of things. So I can put the reading challenge, the art challenge, things like that. If I have to post a YouTube video, I can put it here and just see it quickly. And then I also found this that I had bought forever ago too. It's just like this weekly, there's little squares for the days of the week, and I can just like plan out my week ahead, like see what needs to get done write out when I need to film, when I need to upload, when I need to edit, things like that, just so I can see what's going to happen throughout the week. So I think this will be helpful. So I'll show you guys what this all look like, what my cart is looking like right now, and yeah, and then we'll chat about how I'm gonna set myself up to complete this challenge for the artsy things. I'm thinking of, I'm not gonna film for YouTube every day for this art challenge since I'm doing it on TikTok, but I think I'll put together something for November, just kind of like how the month went. Let me know if you guys want to see art content here. If you do, I have no problem filming it. It wouldn't be like my main stuff, like my faith videos would still be it, like whether it's in a sit down video or a lifestyle, like a quiet time type of things. But even if I did like once a month, kind of the art that I'm doing that month or something like that, sporadic upload of art. So let me know what you guys think about that. Let me show you guys what the desk is looking like and my cart and just what I did, my thoughts. Hopefully this isn't too shaky. So here's this corner of my desk. I cleared off everything so it's nice, it's empty. I have all this space, and then here I just have the list that I was talking about and just my phone and stuff. But it would be nice to have this empty because when I do my Bible reading, I'll have space. Artsy things, I'll have space. Here's my cart, so we can chat about this. We'll start from the bottom. So at the bottom, I just put planners, extra notebooks, random things that I reach for every once in a while. The second shelf has all my Bible commentaries, my Bible, my Hebrews book that I'm reading currently. I also have my canvases right here, books, more commentaries. Then on this top shelf is where I have the bulk of my art and painting things. Okay, so here I just have my stuff for watercoloring, so a little bit of paper, and then my board, and also the acrylic boards right here for when I do some acrylic painting. I have my sketchbook here, which is where I want to do most of my stuff for this challenge. Then this bin right here that I bought from the Dollar Tree. I have my acrylic paintbrushes, watercolor paintbrushes, the palette knife set for using the thicker products, my bookmarks here, don't know why, a ruler, this that I'm going to fill with water just to have like water droplets on hand, some of my watercolors here, and more watercolors here. This is my Magellan Mission something or other. White acrylic paints, I know that's the color I'm going to need a lot of. I have this Liquitex matte gel medium and also the modeling paste here to do the thicker paint. So, and like I said, I have my canvases down here on the side. So my thought really was just that I would keep things that I know I will gravitate to, easy access. I do want to mostly work out of my sketchbook. Hasn't been used, touched, anything. It's brand new. I bought it not too long ago, so I could start getting back into my art, and I figured this way I can also keep track and see everything that I do for the month, and I think it'll just be something nice to look back at. I don't know, I just felt like I had so much more to say now that like my last video I like couldn't hold back from talking, and now that it's today I'm out of the words, I'm out of it. So yeah, this is my plan. I'm super excited about this and just getting back into art, getting back into like in-depth studying God's word with you guys. I'm excited for that, so keep a lookout for that video coming soon on the Bible reading plan and just explaining it more and going into more depth of how that's going to look like for the month of October. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one.